If you're watching this, you know that neuropathy is more than just tingling or numbness. It's the constant worry about your balance, the frustration of interrupted sleep, and the feeling that your world is getting smaller. But I'm here to tell you a diagnosis is a starting point, not a final destination. Welcome to the Nerve Relief Project. I am your guide, Dr. Andrew Fetterman. Our mission is simple to help you move past just managing symptoms and start reclaiming your life. We believe in a holistic, drug free approach that focuses on the root causes of nerve health rather than just masking the discomfort. On this channel, we tackle nerve relief through 5 essential pillars. One, neuropathy education, breaking down the science so you actually understand what's happening in your body. Second pillar, targeted nutrition, using anti-inflammatory protocols to fuel nerve repair and metabolic health. Third pillar, working out through functional fitness routines designed to improve your circulation, stability, and balance. Fourth pillar, mindset, strategies to handle the mental toll of chronic pain and stay consistent. And our fifth pillar, total lifestyle, the small daily habits that add up to long-term vitality. You don't have to navigate this journey alone. We're building a community of people dedicated to movement, health, and life without limits. Hit that subscribe button, join the project, and let's get to work. I'll see you in the next video.